Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are revisiting CHEQ. This is one of the most complete projects I've seen at this level of market capitalization, which shows we are still early. Now I know for a fact this video will not get many views as this crypto is not very known. It's not on tier 1 exchanges and the narrative it's based around is not popping off like artificial intelligence or tokenization of real world assets. But it's part of my portfolio. It's something I believe in. It's new and experimental, and I believe it will grant high returns in the near to short term, in my personal opinion. In the previous check video, went in detail, explained what the project was all about. Today we're going a little bit deeper. So first, I would appreciate if you could leave a like down below in the video. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so first we have the identity problem, which I want to get into. This morning, I was watching YouTube, a meditation which had nothing to do with finance or cryptocurrency, and the ad that came up before I watched the video was a fake Michael Saylor. In the video, he was stating to send Bitcoin or Ethereum to his wallet address and he will send double back, which is obviously a scam, but many people will fall for this, mainly due to it sounding and looking like Michael Saylor. And the sad thing is that most people susceptible to these scams are people who do not have money to spare in the first place. So people can now fake imagery, fake videos, take your voice. It's why digital identity is needed. And as this becomes a more wide-scale, serious issue, it's hence why I believe it will become a more popular narrative in the near future. And it's shown in terms of market capitalization. Go on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap identity tokens. You can see there's not even one coin over $1 billion market cap, let alone 500 million. And now on to the solution we have checked. A blockchain facilitating self-sovereign identity use cases, enabling payments for verifiable, trusted data, taking control of your data and holding that in a digital wallet. We see on the channel in regards to cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets, not your keys, not your crypto. Well, this is essentially your identity and your keys. And you might be asking me, why have I chosen CHEQ? Out of all the projects listed in the identity section, why have I chosen CHEQ out of them all? A lot of reasons explained in the previous video, but one being partnerships on the rise. Here we can see secured 70% of global SSI vendors, 20 organizations to adopt creds with 60 in the pipeline, bridge support, multiple partnerships, and 53 active validators. And similar to WadsPay, where they constantly get rewards among other projects that are huge in market capitalization, we can also see this with CHEQ with the rewards on screen. And also recently in the top 100 UK's best startups 2024, CHEQ came 60th. And now on to point number 3, we have investment opportunity. When it comes to altcoins, I think they're positioned perfectly for 2 reasons. Here we are on Pantera Capital blockchain letter. I'll leave it down below in the description. And we can see the comparison from the top 20 coins in 2017 peak, 2021, and to today. Now you'll notice 2017, 2021, huge difference in the coins that are listed. Not that much difference from 2021 to today, which shows the real wins and plays of this bull run have not reached their full potential. I believe in this top 20 of the bull run peak, I believe Q&T could be there, I believe Tau could be there, and possibly even CHEQ, if not in the top 50 at least. And now on to the second point, which is more based on market cycles and previous data in previous bear markets and bull runs. So I've decided to make this bigger on screen, and you can see here the white line is the total crypto market capitalization and the orangey yellow line is the altcoin market share. And we can see here in phase 1 of these cycles, which is essentially the first part of the bull run, the total market capitalization increases slowly over time, but the altcoin market share is very stagnant and sometimes actually decreasing. Now, going off this actual data, we are actually still in phase 1. 2024 to 2025 is still phase 1, where we can see the total market capitalization increase slowly over time, but the altcoin market share staying kind of stagnant, but having a blow off top in the second phase from 2017, 2021 to 2025. And obviously, nothing is guaranteed, no one can tell the future, but I find it pretty funny if the cycle played out where everyone's saying it's too obvious, it's not going to happen, it's going to be different this time. It'd be very interesting to see the same thing happen once again. Also, now into more specifically CHEQ. what needs to happen for more increase in value is a mid-tier listing, something like BitGet or MEX potentially in the works. You know, for example, QNT was not always listed on Coinbase and Binance, was previously only available on Hotbit and IDEX. And my friend who is interested in crypto 1 month and not interested in next seriously waits for cryptocurrencies to be listed on Binance and Coinbase. That is not the way to play. It's too much effort for them to go on an alternate exchange like BitGet, MEX, KuCoin, and buy a cryptocurrency. This is how the average retail investor thinks. Now on to the actual price. Just look at this on the all-time high chart or all-time chart. The accumulation zone is well over a year in play, and we're finally just breaking out a little bit. Once we're past 10 cents, I believe we are off to the races. Also, in terms of tokenomics, I've seen them being critiqued quite a lot. I don't think they're that bad. It's good enough for the quant OGs who spotted their potential back in 2018 and 2019. And just look at the market cap. It's much easier to go from a $50 million market cap to a $100 million market cap than 1 billion to 2 billion. And now on to final thoughts, final comments. I mean, this is a startup like WadsPay. It's speculative and it's reflective in the market capitalization. And other products that we hold in the channel like QNT, XDC, HBAR are great holds, which are very high in my portfolio, but they provide the base of the portfolio, like Ethereum or Bitcoin to other people who are more risk averse. I'm putting my spare capital into gems like this that can grant or could grant the most returns. That is what I'm focused on. Let me know down below, do you hold CHEQ? And if you do, check out the Decent Hardware cold wallet. It supports CHEQd and 3,000 plus other cryptocurrencies, and you get 30% off using the links in the description down below. Go and check out. But if you made this fun video, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.